Stop everything you're doing. Elon Musk has just unveiled a Tesla that will completely change the future of driving. We're talking about a car so advanced, so affordable, and so packed with technology that it might just make every other car obsolete. And trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. So, buckle up, because in the next few minutes, we're diving deep into everything Elon just revealed: price, features, and why this could be the biggest breakthrough in Tesla's history. This is not a concept, this is real. And here's the craziest part: it might cost less than what you're expecting. Yes, a Tesla that could be cheaper than some gas cars. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Elon Musk just proved it's possible. So, what exactly is this car? Meet the brand new Tesla, model name, or simply call it Tesla Next Gen for now. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redesign from the ground up. It's compact, futuristic, and runs on Tesla's most advanced battery, yet a battery that promises over 500 miles on a single charge. That's longer than most gas cars can go on a full tank. And it's not just about range. This Tesla comes with full self-driving capabilities, a 0 to 60 time under 4 seconds, and guess what? It will cost around $25,000 or even less. That's half the price of most Teslas you see today. Now let's talk about what makes this Tesla truly revolutionary. First, the design. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and built with Tesla's gigacasting technology, meaning the entire chassis is made from just a few massive pieces of aluminium. Why does that matter? Because it makes production faster, cheaper, and way more durable. Second, the interior. Elon calls it a minimalist smart cabin, a single-yoke steering wheel, massive center screen, and full voice control powered by Tesla's AI. No buttons, no clutter, just pure futuristic design. Oh, and did I mention the battery? It's the new 4680 cell tech, which means faster charging, longer lifespan, and it's cheaper to produce. Translation: Tesla is finally breaking the price barrier. So why is everyone losing their minds over this car? Simple price and performance. A Tesla that's affordable for millions of people means gas cars are done. Think about it: no oil changes, no gas, and you can charge at home for a fraction of the cost. Plus, with self-driving getting better every month, this isn't just a car, it's a robot on wheels. And Elon didn't stop there. He hinted at a massive production ramp starting next year at Giga Texas and Giga Mexico, which means this car could hit the road sooner than anyone expected. So, what do you think? Is this Tesla the final nail in the coffin for gas cars? Would you buy one for $25,000 or less? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm reading every single one. And hey, if you want more breaking news on Tesla and Elon Musk's crazy innovations, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the future of driving is just getting started, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.